Hello everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here from the title, today I'm at the Walmart Lawn and Garden Center. I'll be taking you guys along with me, showing you a few of the plants that caught my eye, as well as a few indoor plants, patio pieces, and if you stick around to the end, I'll also be sharing what I'm currently using for Japanese beetles, what has worked well for me in the past, and for those little critters that are eating our plant leaves. So if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Please also remember to click the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload. So let's go shopping. Oh, what is this beautiful flower over here? Wow, this is pretty. It's pretty white blooms. This is balloon flower, and it is a perennial, $8.97. This is beautiful. The balloon flower grows anywhere from 8 to 24 inches in height, 8 to 18 inches wide. It flowers in blue, pink, and white. It blooms in the summer and it's great for zones 4 through 9, and it also tolerates part sun to sun. Why does it look so much like a clematis? Maybe it is. And they're just calling it a balloon flower, or maybe that's what it's called. Hookers are looking pretty. I'm loving the deep burgundy color of hookers. I love them so much. They stand out so much amongst hostas or other white toned flowers or foliage. So pretty. And these are $8.97. Hookers are also called coral bells. They are perennials. They're great in part sun, shade, or sun. Preferably part sun or shade from my experience. They grow anywhere from 1 to 3 feet in height and 6 to 30 inches wide. They do flower in green, pink, red, or white. The foliage itself, depending on the variety, it can either be chartreuse gold, gray silver, or purple burgundy. The purple burgundy, as you can see here, is the most common version. They are colorful through fall. They are great in zones 3 to 9. And they're also perennials. Oh, this English lavender only $7.48. According to Walmart.com, the expert gardener brand of English lavender, it needs full sun. It blooms a purple-blue color anywhere from late spring through fall. It is hardy in zones 5 to 9. It reaches mature height of 12 to 18 inches and 12 to 24 inches in width. It does attract butterfly, bees, and hummingbirds. It is deer and rabbit resistant. I may need to get some more lavender. Oh, this is so pretty. I think this is the same flower as the white ones. What are these? Okay, Rose of Sharon, $7. These all Rose of Sharon, $7. everyone. So if you've seen my previous Walmart video, you know I love pinnacle hydrangeas. So this is the torch hardy hydrangea. According to bloomandeasyplants.com, it is the earliest flowering pinnacle hydrangea, leading the race with creamy white flowers atop superior upright form. It blooms earlier and you'll get more time to kick back and enjoy the flower. It is hardy from zones 3 to 8. It requires full to part sun. It grows 4 to 5 feet tall and wide, and it has sturdy upright form with white blooms in early summer. So on this trip, it was on clearance for $15. So this is the flare hydrangea, also a pinnacle hydrangea. It is hardy from zones 3 to 8. It does need full sun or at least 6 hours of sun per day. It grows 2 to 3 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. It's very compact and upright, and it blooms white blooms, which ages to a brighter red pink. Very beautiful. And it is also on clearance for $15. Absolutely love this rug right here. $57. Black and white stripe, which is 5 by 7, and it has the tassels at the end. Perfect in the neutral setting. I love that one. I also love this one. I have this one in green. This one is also 57. Let's see if I could turn it around. It's also 5 by 7. Actually, it's right here. So here on the right, we have the neutral palm color. In the middle, that's the black and white stripe with the tassels at the end. And on the left is the green palm print color. They're all outdoor rugs and they're absolutely beautiful. They're all $57. I've had this chair now for 2 years. Still here. Absolutely love it. I have it on my porch. It looks like they now have it in different colors. The popular egg chair. So I have this particular color, but now they have it in other colors. Very nice. Maybe you could scan this QR code on the screen to buy it online. These are 64. Beanbag chairs. Love this black and white one, of course. Oh wow, these lilies are beautiful. These are $24.97. They're so pretty when they're blooming. I mean, the foliage is pretty regardless, but they're even more pretty when they're blooming. I believe these are 2 or 3 gallons. Anyway, they're beautiful. And orchids, you guys, I have a hard time keeping orchids alive, so that's probably one of the only plants I have as a faux plant. I cannot keep them alive for the life of me, so. But these are $15.97. It says just add 3 cubes of ice once a week. I've never tried that, but they're gorgeous. They're absolutely beautiful. And not hostas, pothos. We all love pothos because they're easy to grow, easy to care for, no fuss, and they're beautiful. Are these like mini hydrangeas? Wow. Oh, look at these pots. I like this pot right here. 16-inch planter. Better Homes and Garden, guys. And this is the price. I like this one too. This is $22.94. Walmart has really stepped up their game this year when it comes to planters, because they've had some really good options this year. Okay, this planter box right here. Urban Bloomer Low Garden Bed. So if you don't have the space and you wanted to start like, you know, a garden bed in grower boxes, this is a great option. Looks like these are Urban Bloomer are $59. And this is, it looks like a 12.7 gallon or 4 liter. I like this one too. 14-inch. Wait a minute, is this 12? Does it say? No, it's not this one. This one says 6-inch, 11-inch, 20-inch. Is this $12? Lori, 14-inch. Oh no, this is 16 rust. Wonder how much this one is. I like this one. As you can see, guys, I'm more attracted to the neutral tone planters, but you know, if there's a pot, another tip is there's a pot that you really like and it's not in the color tone that you want, you can always paint it. These elevated kids garden bed with chalkboard, which is 1.5 feet by 2.5 feet. Sprinkle the 7 in the soil around the plants, or I've used the powdered one before. They're both really great, but the bag, you can get the bag for $11.44. So it says it's good for lawn, flowers, and garden, and it kills the above and below the surface. Won't harm plants, blooms, or lawn. Treats up to 10,000 square feet. And this is the 10-pound bag. It's a 7 insect killer. And let's see. It kills over 100 insects. So those little critters eating on our garden leaves, our flower leaves, this is really good for them. So I'll get a bag of these. This is also good for the Japanese beetles for roses. I've used this before. So this is what I currently use, you guys, for Japanese beetles. It works really well. After you sprinkle the powder or the dust on the plant leaves, I'm currently using it on my roses. The Japanese beetle, literally within seconds, they curl up and they fall off. I use this in combination with the granules in the bag, and it works really well. So you can sprinkle the granules all around the soil of your plant, as well as on your grass areas. Those are also good for any other plant eating, well, leaf eating insects or critters. So this is what I recommend. I know there are other products out there, but I suggest giving this a try. It does not harm your plant, and it is definitely worth a try if you're struggling with Japanese beetles or any of these insects. I want to thank you guys for spending your time with me. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you'll give this a try. Also, let me know if there's something else that you're using that has worked well for you. And also, let me know if there's any plans that you recently found at Walmart or anything that you found in the lawn and garden section that you're excited about. Please also consider subscribing if you haven't yet done so. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you, everyone. Have a good one.